Today's adventure takes us beyond the postcard perfect beaches of the Maldives as we explore the vibrant and often overlooked capital of Maldives, Male. Our mission is to find a boat to take us to an island called Mafushi, and let me tell you, everyone seems to have their own version of direction. Join us through the charming chaos of Male, visiting the lively fish market while grabbing some exotic fruits and savouring on a £3 meal at a local restaurant. That was banging. Get ready for an eye-opening journey because Male is not your typical Maldives experience. Let's dive in. So I'm going to the hot cuisine. Let's go upstairs. It is so humid. January, and I was assuming that it's going to be slightly cool, but it's not. So let's go inside. Tables and chairs outside. Oh wow, look at this. Pretty narrow, isn't it? Oh, this is nice. Oh, you got the aircon here as well. Alright, let's get something to eat. We're in Mali at a local restaurant, getting some food. Let's show you what we got. So, vegetable biryani. We've got a special sandwich, whatever you call that in there. The lentils. We've got the salad. We've got the Japanese salad. Per plate is like what? Roughly around $3.50. Now let's taste it. It's spicy. It's got a lot of flavour in it as well. You know, I can't describe it. It's so tasty. Put it that way. You know, local food is the best food. It's affordable and it's great. Guess what I'm gonna do? I always do this. So you got the lentils, we call it down here. I'm gonna be that guy and I'm gonna mix it in here. Apart from that, yeah, I mean, it's up to you how much money you want to spend. If you want to be on a budget, then definitely come to this place. Hut Cuisine. Please come check out this place. The portion's perfect. The portion is perfect. People are nice. Obviously, when you go in there, don't be expecting certain services because when you go in there, the light's quite dim. Things are not that clear. I mean, it is as it is. You see it there. You pay for what you get. But the quality, I mean, I honestly feel like they should charge more. When you're crossing the road as well, be hella careful because they're not gonna run you over, but you just gotta be really brave when you're crossing the road. It's a Sunday. There's bikes everywhere. Look at that. You good? Straight. The player. Let's call the player then. Look at all the bikes all posted up. I'm sure it's really affordable to rent one of these bikes because there's so many here. It was literally just raining a while ago and it stopped. And the ground is dry. It's like it's never rained. Look at all of that. To end my night is having crap with strawberries and just enjoy the view. Even though you can't see that much, but you can tell it's blue. Good morning as usual in Mali? It's M-A-L-E. Look at that. I've got a long journey this week. So when you book in a hotel and you have like a breakfast included, you expect like standard breakfast. Well, this one right here, I mean, I'm definitely impressed with the food. So I've been recommended to go to this fruit and veg market. It is hot in this place. Oh my god, the humidity is insane. The language is predominantly Maldivian. Loads of people here are from like India, Bangladesh, all parts of Asia. It's my first time reaching the Indian Ocean side. Snack bar on the right hand side, right by the beach. Really affordable. I was shocked with the price. 1.5 litre bottle of water and the same height popcorn for only £1. To me, it looks like the best form of transportation is getting on these peds to cut corners, to get to your destination pretty quick. There's the boats. Yep. Let me see, how do I normally calculate it? So when I have the money, let me show you the currencies. Let me check my pocket. They count them as yeah, rupees, rufiya. Yeah, rufiya. So say 100 rufiya is like £5. So you just half the price. But you round it slightly up. The 50 rufias is like around what, £3? I don't know. When you hear people saying, oh, I'm going to Maldives, you're probably thinking, oh, they're going to spend time in a luxury resort on a private beach, maybe a glass floor, seeing the fishes swimming around underneath you. But hey, it's not all about that. I mean, it can be whatever you want it to be. So these boats right here take you to different islands. Vegetable market. Vegetable market. Okay. Okay, I feel like I've reached the fruit and veg market. Yo, this is mad. Where do I start? Hello. Oh, let's look at first.
Yes. Come inside, teacher.
Nice.
Coconut candy.
Coconut candy?
Yes.
You see this? Coconut candy?
Yes. Good.
Just like coconut drops. Okay.
Yes. Honey. And this is a coconut. Together mix coconut candy.
Oh, you mix this with coconut candy? Oh,
Yes.
that's so cool.
Honey and coconut. This 100% natural.
No, I can see. I just want to look around first because this is new to me, okay?
Okay, come back.
I want to look around.
I shall come back. I have everything.
Yeah, you got everything here. What is this? What's this?
This is a spine fruit. Look at ananas.
Oh my god.
I give banana.
Oh no, thank you very much. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you. What's this? What is that?
This is a school fine.
This what?
School fine. School fine.
School fine.
Yeah, this familiar juice.
Okay, alright. Thank you. It might give me a banana as well. I don't want to eat this right now. We've got sour sap as well. Oh my god.
Look at Bali.
Look at the place out here. Look at this. Wow, there's so much to see here. Wow. Wow, they got everything here is all fresh. Let's go this side. So it looks like everything behind me is all the vegetables and fruits. And in front of me, I'm assuming it's actually not all similar. They've got the coconuts. This looks like it's the fish market. Ooh. Oh man, it's a strong smell burning in my nose.
Smoked tuna.
Smoked tuna? So I don't eat fish. Thank you. Yeah, I'm a vegan. Oh. Oh. Okay. Busy man. Right, I've already browsed around, seen what I need to see. Now it's time to get some fruits. Excuse me. Your sour sap. Can I squeeze one? Really soft. Do you have a soft one? 25
rupees.
Yep. Okay. Let me have a look. So it's £1.78.
100.
I'm back again. All right.
Don't get chips out of chips.
I want to try some jelly coconut. What's this? What's this one? Plantain.
It's banana chips.
Banana chips.
Yes.
It's got seasoning. What's in it?
This banana chips. It's very good. It's salt.
Salt. Chili.
Chili and salt.
What's that one?
This is peanut.
Peanuts.
Yes.
I've never seen peanut like this before.
From nut.
Oh, it's from that. Look at that. He's going in. How much is your coconut?
$2.
$2. What's $2?
$2.
No, I have rupees.
30 rupees.
30 rupees, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me pay you first because I've got too much in my hand.
First you're drinking, not for.
First I drink it. Okay, thank you. Where are you from? Are you from Maldives?
Coconut?
No, you.
No, I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, okay. Balastuni.
Ah, Balochi. From Balocho. Test.
Oh, I'm in love with this. Oh, this coconut. In the morning, this is what you need in the morning. The best. Come to Maldives, come to this guy. What's your name?
My name's Suhel.
Come Sohel. Come to Sehel Market. Where
Local
can they
market.
find you? Local market.
Yes.
You come to the local market, right in the front. Sohel, he'll look after you. And then is that your uncle?
Yes, this is for local.
Local.
Yeah, Muhammad Saudi.
Mama Saudi. Okay. Shukriya. The mangoes.
Yes, this.
What
local,
mango is this called?
Local mango.
Local mango.
Yes. This side.
Give me sweet one.
Come this side.
Okay, this. Oh baby. Oh my god.
Very sweet.
Oh, this is so good. This is sweet.
Like mango?
Oh, no, I love mangoes. Yeah. How long you been working here for? How long you work here?
It's 8 years.
8 years. How much is that one?
43.
43.
43.
Okay.
Give me 40.
43. Yeah.
Give me 40.
40, yeah.
Okay. Discount.
Everything all together?
Oh, everything together. Then can kill it. You look. 30 and 40.
Make me happy with the price, okay? 70, yeah?
Yes.
No less?
This less price.
Is that last price?
43. I selling you 40. And this 30 rupee local price. 70 rupee.
70, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Flies everywhere. Let's have a look. 50, 60. I got 65.
70 rupiah. Not have money? Money finish?
Everyone's. It's in my hotel.
Hotel?
I can take one out.
Okay.
You sure? I've picked up myself today. Had a buffet breakfast. Went to the fruit and veg market. I should have skipped the breakfast and went to the fruit and veg market. Give myself the right nutrients that my body actually needs. So my left hand side is where all the excursion is. Oh, fucking flies. Fuck's sake. So my left hand side is where all the excursion is. To go to other islands. So you got loads of tourists coming in here. Soon come. Yeah, definitely people are coming from cruises. There's a big cruise ship there. Arsenal, yay! I hate Arsenal. I'm not even interested in football. Busy man, busy man.
Yes. Busy man.
Love it. Everyone here is really friendly. Definitely hospitable. Hello my friend. Let me show you what I got in the bag. Coconut water for hydration. You got soursop for all that vitamins goodness. You got what? You got mango, vitamins, energy, sugar, another one. After that, you mix it all up. I call that all powers. Get your banana strong. Where's the boat? You know where jet number 6 is? Jetty number 6.
6.
Yes. Number 5 is there. Number 6. 5, 6. Okay. Thank you. Just jetty number 6.
Jetty number 6, this side again, this side.
This side? Straight down. Okay. Jetty number 6. Everyone's pointing in different places. Jetty number 6. Where? 7. Okay, so 6 is here. Jetty number 6.
Jetty number 6.
He said here, you said there. Point in different directions.
Jetty number 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
So, is it small ones?
So all these boats there, you
Yeah.
can see all these speed boats, that's jetty number 6.
Okay, speedboats, jetty number 6. Okay, thank you. Everyone's pointing left to right. Everyone's pointing left to right, but we're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. We're getting bounced left and right. So it's the speedboats. Jetty number 6. Is it here? He told me here.
No, this is 5.
This is 5. The man told me he's here. One's telling me 6, 6, 6, 5.
Mate is jetty number 6.
6.
Ah.
They don't know what to count. 5 and 6. This is small private boat.
Yeah, it's a small boat. It's a small boat. These are ones ours.
May 7.
Okay, this is 6.
Okay, okay, 6. Do you work here?
Okay, 6.
Yeah? Okay, 6 now. This guy. Well, can we get on this one?
No.
Sleepy man, number 6. No? Okay.
¿Sabes?
Mr. Sleepy man. Hello? Jetty number 6. Here, this one. Triton Prestige. Triton.
The hotel.
There you go.
Qué largo.
See.
You got me, it's lucid. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy.